everyone, welcome back to Zero to AI Builder on Learn with Acushla. In our last episode, we built the real-world RAG chat bot for Exquisite Edibles, my wife business, using Flowise, Superbase, and Step API. Today, we are going to do more of exploration, check out the marketplace, see projects that people have built and put in Flowise. We would explore things like language translation. You can make AI do translation for you, build a simple chatbot that does translation. Also, just exploring, more of exploring. I think one other thing we'll look into replicate. Replicate. I just stumbled on that while I was doing the video. Replicate simply allows you, it's like a hub of models, AI models that allows you to generate image, generate videos, even audios. So you have a lot of platforms where you can go and put in an image description and it generates lovely image for you. So replicate, I think, is one of those AI models that it's under the hood that is being used. So you can set up an application that allows user to do such thing on your website. Maybe you can charge in Naira. I think it's about for one image you generate about $0.003 dollars. Can know how to charge since the price are really predictable, and the videos I think is based on seconds. 33 seconds can give you maybe $1 or 16 seconds depending on the resolution as well. These are some of the things you can make money off of if you are serious about AI. Also, in our future video, I have a lot of plans for AI. This video I'm publicly learning. While I'm learning, you are also learning, sharing, we are learning together. That's why it's Learn with Acushla. It's not a tutorial. I'm not teaching you something that I already know. Tutorial is teaching you something that I already know, but this video I'm learning in the process with you. So I stumble into errors, I get confused at times, and we come out together. Another important part, popular demand, is trying to host our Flowise that we have. So we have a cloud version. It's limited, so if you host, Flowise is open source, N8N is open source. So if you decide to host it on your hosting platform where you can control the billing, okay, maybe for the hosting you are paying, let's say $20 or $30 for a year, and Flowise billing is about $20 or $30 a month. So it's quite expensive, but you can host it on your own if you are doing a small project or having the existing hosting you want to. Heroku charges $10 per month. So let's dive in. In our last episode, we worked on this chatbot that allow us to interact with Exquisite Edibles. Is this session the same? I just want to confirm. New incognito window. Okay, session is usually different. Okay, that was a different session. Hey, my name is Acushla. I want date syrup. So cannot read properties of undefined file path. Okay. Oh. Okay. I think I did something there. Thank you for your interest, Acushla. Here are the available sizes for date syrup from Exquisite Edibles. 30 ml, 1.5, 250, 1 liter. Please let me know which size you like to order if you need more information. So that was a simple RAG application we created. So we can further improve some of these applications and make it do more, tweak it more. And for example, we can bring in a multi-agent. If you have a technical, let's say a company with different kind of sales rep, maybe you have sales rep, you have technical team. So based on user query, you can conditionally assign which agent, customer rep you want, whether it's a technical person or a salesperson you want to speak with. Then we can also bring in a loop where you have a human agent where, okay, you want a human to take over from the chatbot. So let's explore. If we go to Marketplace, let me save this. This is live now. So the cool thing is this is running live on my cloud. So anywhere you embed the chat, remember from here, this button here, you can embed it on a Python script, JavaScript. You can call it via your JavaScript, and start up with a question and the response and all that. So you can customize the whole thing however you like it, and you can secure it so that anybody can just copy your chatbot and put on their website. So let's look at Marketplace and look at example of some agentic RAG application. This is an agent-based approach using agent flow v2 to perform self-correcting question answering over a document. So this is really cool. So I'm just going to see what this does. So the first thing is start. Chat input. It has a flow state having query, yeah, and this is a conditional state where check if the user is asking about AI related topic or just general query. So it takes a question as input and scenario if the question is AI related or general scenario. So 0 and 1, right? So this is 0 and 1. If it's AI related, it takes it to generate a query related to that. If it's not, a general answer is used. Let me see my local Flowise if I have that. Agent flow, marketplace, agentic route, use template. So we have this. Yeah. Question. So query input instruction, check if user is asking about AI related question or just generate. So the input will be question coming in from the start, and the generate query given the user question and history, construct a short string that can be used for searching vector database. Only generate the query, no meta, comments, no explanation. So it takes in when you finish, it puts it inside the query. And input message, okay, there is no input message, so it's just what this is, the check query, if query valid, is sending to it. Then the general answer just goes ahead and answer the question as a normal AI. Generate query, so this will go to document store, for example, and retrieve the document that we have. Retrieve query retriever. So this is the query that is being asked, sent to it. So using the query, retrieves the document. Then this other one, all it does, it checks if the document is relevant, determining if the document is relevant to user question. User question is this, coming from retriever agent flow 0. Retriever agent flow 0. So that should be this one, right? Yeah. So given that that if it's a valid one, if it's relevant or irrelevant. So if it's relevant, it gives it a response is being generated based on the document that has been retrieved. So given the question and the findings, output the final response. Cool. Then if the findings, the question was irrelevant, so this AI duty is to reconstruct the question. You're a helpful assistant that can transform the query to produce a better question. Look at the input and try to reason about the underlying semantic intent. Here is the initial question. Formulate an improved question. Okay. So it will look back to the retriever 8. Look back to this guy and feed in with the query again. So the query will now go through this process again to finally find the answer. So these are simple ways of improving your the way your RAG application works, the way AI searches your documents, your data, to ensure that they have the most relevant answer being given. So let's explore some more. Agents hand up, deep research. There are a lot of use cases here. So a simple RAG agent that can retrieve document from document store and answer question. Okay, these are something similar to what we did. We have translator, so you can play with this. These are some things you can play with. translator. So you are a helpful assistant that translates. Okay, let's use this and see what happens. I'm interested. Translator. Oh, Gemini Flash. I don't have Gemini Flash. Oh. Let me use OpenAI and try first. I'm not ready to pay money right now. Which OpenAI model is best for language translation? Is ChatGPT 4? It said found that Chat matches junior level translator in terms of accuracy. Okay, we can try 4. Let's try 4. 4.1. Let's take this to 5 for more preciseness. So you are a helpful assistant that help translate English to. Let's try Spain or into Pidgin. Return into Pidgin English. Is there anything like Pidgin language? It doesn't have to try, right? How are you doing? How you day? Ha! This is cool. I like you. What's happening in your area? What did they happen for your area? What did you eat today? What did you chop today? Oh, Benny. Nice one. Okay, that's cool. So we have a lot of stuff in the marketplace that you could take a look at. Advanced structured parser, return response as a JSON structure. So this is more like let's see, use template. Text. So this AI is designed to only output information in JSON format without exception. This AI can only output JSON and will never output any other text. When you ask correct itself, this AI will only output the corrected JSON and never any other text. So this human comes in text, and the chat prompt template, which is prompt, the output parser. So this is the LLM. Let's see. Chain name, LLM chain. This template is designed to give output in JSON format defined in output parser. So here is our chat, OpenAI chat, GP4 tuple latest, temperature 0, so exactly precise. So the language LLM chain is more like adding a chain of things. So you can connect the language model, connect the guy that does the prompting, connect the output, the input moderation. I'm not sure how this runs. Output parser. So if you do, what is give account of the different species of dogs. Schema must start with Z object. So Z array, Z of title, Z string. The title of the movie is a string. Year of release. Okay. Short description. So these are Z array. Okay, so this takes a certain example JSON. Say that it takes a certain stuff and output zode schema. Okay, I'm not sure how it works, but I'm moving on. Conversation chain works like ChatGPT. Buffer memory, deep research with sub-agents. So you have a planner which generate list of sub-agents, and each sub-agent has its own research tasks and tools to complete its finding. So you are an expert research lead focused on high-level research planning. The current date is this. Research process. That's a lot to read. That's a lot of prompt. So this one, planner will generate list of sub-agents. Each sub-agent has its own research tasks, tools to complete its finding. Spawn sub-agent. Yeah, research sub-agent as part of the team. Okay. Then the writer agent. More sub-agents. Back to planner, generate report. Write agent combine the findings and generate an updated report. Okay, more like what we did earlier, but a little bit more stuff. Git docs question and answer. CSV agent analyze and summarizes CSV data. Image generation using replica stability text to image generative AI model. So this is language model. Let me add Flowise. Save image. Replicate. Replicate. What does replicate do? Replicate API. Okay, let's see. Thousands of users are building AI products to replicate. The team can build an AI scale runtime model, deploy customer all in one. What does it do? I'll replicate it, not just them. They actually work and have production ready. AI shouldn't be locked up inside academic papers. Okay, I'm just going to create a free account and see what this thing does. Yeah. Personal use. JavaScript is okay. Exploring. Yeah. Order. Save. View dashboard. Model. Public. API key. I need API key. Come on, all I want is just create API key. Create API key in replicate. So add billing information. Create API key. So I need to add billing information first. Pricing. Oh, API. Flowise generate token, copy. Replicates API key add. Okay. Which other thing? LLM chain, output prediction. Instruct LLM to respond in a markdown format in order to display the image in the chat window. Okay. Dancing. Failed with payment require. Oh. So I need to add payment for this. Not right now. Best image model or text to image. So this replicates everything on Explore is a model someone has built and pushed to replicate. For example, Lucato is a model was pushed to replicate. Wow. So this is a model that kind of allows you to Okay, so I've decided to add $10 to my replicate account to see how it works. Let's test that. Dancing room. Moment of truth. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is an optimized version of Hydra model using Prona AI optimization toolkit. So these are models that you can use to generate your own image. So I think this is a cool one. Replicate. So you can, example, you can create your AI for people to generate funny images. So this is a purple cheetah holding a sign that says, let's see what we have. Something like a purple cheetah holding a sign that says, learn with Acushla. Let's see what that happens. Sorry, I can't assist with that. Why? What were we using before? I don't even remember. For table preview. Let's see. Marketplace. Image generation. 3.5 turbo. Okay. 3.5 turbo. These are V1. V2. Didn't I save it? Oh dear. Assistant. Application. I saved it now. It was called image. Oh, chat flows. What do you even mean? What do you even mean? 3.5 turbo, save, clear chat, yeah. Okay. I thought you're never gonna do anything. Then with Acushla. I added 1C, you're adding 2. So it looks like the model. So I think each model has a specific thing they do very well. Like when I did 4.5, 4, yeah, 4 to go. What did I use? This was 3.5 to go. Using 4 to go and save. I didn't get image. Fancy car in this snowy mountain area, vintage. So it looks like 4.4 turbo cannot do image, but 3.5 does. 3.5 does. There you are. Cool. So we'll stop here for today. We've used the opportunity to explore the different things we can do. Talk about replicate. It's the first time for me. Speed mode, liquidity. This is really cool. This is really cool. I'm already imagining a lot of things I can do with this. Purple cheetah, fast. Speed mode. Extra juicy. Resolution. So you can actually build an app around this and allow people to run with an API. Copy this. This is an optimized version of Hydra model using Prona AI optimization toolkit. This is amazing. So models, for example, locative remote background is a model. It was pushed by. So Locato remove BG is a model. So you upload your image and it takes out the background. Nice, nice, nice examples. Beautiful. This model costs approximately 0.0003 to run and replicate, or 3,333 runs per dollar on your own computer or Docker. Cool. I am loving this already, guys. But let's stop here for today.